A Louisville mother wants answers and justice after police shot and killed her daughter during a mental health crisis.
Now WLKY has learned that this case has not yet reached prosecutors for review. Alexis Matthews is in the newsroom with the new details. Alexis?
Yeah, Vicki, Rick, during my sit down with the grief-stricken Rebecca Hall, I had to break the news to her that right now prosecutors can't consider criminal charges in the officer-involved shooting that killed her daughter because LMPD hasn't given them the investigative files to review the case. Now, of course, she had questions, so I set out to get answers from the top leader of Louisville Police.
I still hear the gunshots.
Rebecca Hall relives the heartbreak of March 27th, the day her daughter, Caitlin's mental breakdown was met with bullets by Louisville police. She demands answers and justice, including officers Robert Baker and Robert Gabbard being held accountable.
If you can't handle what was in that room that night, to me, you don't have what it takes to be out there on the street.
LMPD's Professional Standards Unit is investigating the case, and all shootings involving Louisville police are also turned over to the Commonwealth's Attorney Office for review. They decide if a grand jury will hear the case, who then determines if evidence warrants criminal charges against officers or not. But this week, the office told me that of the 4 officer-involved shootings this year, they found Nathan Walker's shooting death on April 6th to be justified, but have not received investigative files for 2 cases. Michael Ristoff, a murder suspect killed May 14th, and Hall. Her mother shocked to learn this information during our interview.
Are you serious? Wow. I not know that. I don't understand why it's taken so long.
I asked LMPD Police Chief Paul Humphrey for an explanation.
Ultimately, once the investigation is completed, then it's handed over to them for them to make a final judgment call on that. So some cases move along faster than others.
As Hall's case nears the 3-month mark, swift action was taken in a similar police shooting on May 30th. Within 2 weeks of LMPD officer Nathan Stotts killing Martin Nixkin Jr., who was also experiencing a mental crisis, he was fired and indicted. Chief Paul Humphrey says it was situational to prematurely give Nixkin's case to the Commonwealth's Attorney Office, despite the ongoing investigation.
They, just like I, have the ability to act and make decisions when they feel they have enough information to make it. And then on others, they will wait until everything is in.
It's frustrating, very frustrating for everybody in the family. You know, not to take away from Martin's, because he was hurting too.
Now, in the shootings of Hall and Nixkin, both experienced behavioral health emergency. Hall was partially naked and armed with a shard of glass. Nixkin also nude, and while an armed 911 caller said he attacked 3 people and dislocated a neighbor's shoulder. LMPD officers in both shootings did not immediately render aid. And in Nixkin's case, Stotts continued to point his weapon and waited until backup arrived to tend to him. Now, their cases have renewed rallying cries around changes to how police respond to people in distress. In the newsroom, I'm Alexis Matthews, WLKY News.